waiting for you and the power you possess.
Happy Halloween and welcome to Yummy Cooking with Payshintz. Today, this is part 2 of our Halloween special, and we're gonna make spider deviled eggs. This is gonna be a fun, a simple, and Wonder Woman delicious recipe. And also during this, we're gonna do some trick-or-treat trivia questions. So, let's get started. We are now going to chop our eggs in half to get the yolk out. So, I have 6 eggs here. You want to slice it down in the center. That. Yolks. Basically, I'm slicing 6 eggs and I'm gonna have, how many halves? 12. What I'm gonna do now is put the egg yolks in this bowl. Those there should pop out pretty easy. I just push the back. All right, I think it's time for another trivia question. What are spider webs made of? Next, we're gonna have our bacon and we're gonna chop it up into pieces. I fried 3 pieces of bacon. They're nice and crispy. I love crispy bacon. Bacon has a lot of salt. With the deviled eggs, you don't have to put so much salt in it because you're using the bacon. We have our bacon all chopped up, and now we're going to mix all our mixtures together. So, I'm gonna smash our eggs first. Just get a fork and just smash it up. Want it nice and kind of smooth smashed, all crumbly. And now it's all smashed up. Time to add our mayo. So I have about 3 tablespoons of mayo. I'm gonna add that. Just add part of it first. I'm gonna add, I have about 1/4 teaspoon of dried mustard. It's like a mustard powder. My favorite is Coleman's. I like Coleman's because it has a lot of flavor to it. Starting to come together. Oh, look at that, it's getting creamy. Now, I'm gonna put our chopped bacon bits inside. It's like money. Mix that up. Then, our chopped green onions. We have about 1/4 cup of green onions. So let's put it in slowly. We don't have to put the whole thing in yet. So I'm gonna put like half of it in first. Mix this up. All right, time to add a little salt and pepper. So pretty much to your tasting, to your liking. So I'm gonna try just to see what it tastes like first. No, I don't need much salt. Little cracked pepper. Now that we have this done, we're gonna fill up our egg whites with the filling. What I'm gonna need is a cup, and you can use a pastry piping bag, but right now I don't have one available. So I'm gonna get like a plastic bag, and I'm gonna put the plastic bag. So you kind of put the end towards inside the plastic bag, then inside the cup. Fold this down, and we're gonna put our mixture inside our cup. Close up our bag. It's ready. Okay, close that up. So you just want to cut a small slit. There you go. Ready for business. So I'm going to take our double egg, and fill it up with our mixture. Bacon coming out. Whoa! Now it's time to decorate the top with our spider. It's time for our trick-or-treat trivia question. How many legs are on a spider? All right, now that we cut the body for our spider, now I'm going to show you how to cut the legs. So what we're going to do, we get another whole olive, cut it in half again. So what I'm going to do is cut the legs lengthwise so they have long legs. And guess what time it is? Trick-or-treat trivia! So, my question is Spider-Man a Marvel or a DC comic? Alright, so now we're going to decorate our deviled eggs with our spider so they can be spider deviled eggs. And if their eggs are too small and the bodies are too big, you can always like cut it smaller, so like this. So it doesn't take up so much space. Press it down like so. And we're gonna add some legs. How many legs? Let's see. 4 on this side. Bring that guy around. Got you where I want you, you spider devil egg. So now it's time for you to be my treat. Very delicious, fun, simple, and Wonder Woman made spider devil eggs. So please try my recipe. If you have any comments, leave it at the bottom. I'm here for Halloween, and happy Halloween, everyone. See you next time.
Wonder Woman, Wonder Woman. All the world is waiting for you and the power you possess. In your satin tights, fighting for your rights, and the old red, white, and blue.